गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। रोहाना मैम आज आपके लिए ये सेवन स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे के लिए एक पोएम लेने वाली है। कविता जो है मैं भी नाम कमाता, डॉक्टर दिविक रमेश ने लिखा हुआ। ये आपके पेज नंबर 23 में दिया गया है ये कविता। सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस लेसन फॉर यू टुडे. It is मैं भी नाम कमाता means even I too would have made a name for myself. It's a poem written by a small boy. It's a poem written by a small boy, but the real poet is a big person. He's written like he is a small boy. So I'll read the poem to you children. I'll explain it to you and then we'll go on to the exercise. So it goes like this in Hindi. रोज रोज सीमा की खबरें. रोज रोज सीमा की खबरें means daily. रोज means daily. Seema means the border. So every day you get certain kind of a खबरें means news. You get a kind of news from the border. सुन सुन कर मन नन्हा मेरा मुस कर रह जाता. So what this small boy is saying, every day we hear some news from the border where like the army or army people are and the soldiers are standing on the border. So every day in the news you hear some news about the soldiers that they are fighting for the country. So when the small boy hears all this news, he feels sad. He feels sad because every day the news is being repeated. So in that manner this boy is telling, when he hears the news from the border, he feels sad. अगर ना होता छोटा बच्चा तो लेकर बंदूक हाथ में मैं भी नाम कमाता. So what he is saying, that if he was not a small child, even he would have taken a gun, he would have gone to the border and he too would have created a name. He too would have had a name. अगर ना होता छोटा बच्चा, if he was not a small boy, he would have picked up a gun, gone to the border and he would have been martyred martyred means shaheed hona. He would have been killed while he was fighting in the border near the country borders, and he would have created a name for himself. झटपट होकर बड़ा फौज में एक यही बस मन में आता, मैं भर्ती हो जाता. So what he's saying is, I wanted to become big fast. If I become big fast, I would have gone and got myself admitted into the army. I would have gone and got myself admitted in the army, because when you go to become a soldier or you want to go become an army personnel, you have to be big, you have to study a lot, and then only you can do it. You can go and join the army as a soldier or whatever. Otherwise you're not seeing small children picking up guns, or small children can't go and fight in borders. You have to be a grown up adult. So in the same manner, if he would have become big earlier, he would have gone and joined the army. माँ कितनी खुश होती जब मैं एक बड़ा सा पुरस्कार भी राष्ट्रपति से पाता. He is telling, my mother would have been so happy if I would have won some awards from the president of the nation. So the small child is having big dreams. He wants to grow up big. He wants to go and fight for his country. He wants to become a soldier. He feels very sad when he hears the news that you get from the border daily of soldiers fighting and dying for their country. He wanted his mother to be happy when he gets a very big award from the President of India. So in this manner, this small poem, children, I want you all to learn the first 6 lines of this poem as homework. You have to write the first 6 lines. 6 lines of this poem. Study and learn to write it without looking. Okay? Learn to write without looking. So first 6 lines you have to learn it by heart, by who has written the poem, who's the poet. You have to learn to write the first 6 lines by heart. It's on page number 23. After that, I have come to the abhyas. Abhyas means you have to write this abhyas in your classwork note. On page number 24, the question answers. Question answers are given there, children. main 1 and main 2. You can look at the question from your textbook and answers Miss has written down on the board, and this you can relate it to the questions given. This you have to write it in your classwork note very neatly on your classwork note. So I will just read out the answers to you so that you can, even if you don't know what's written there, you can at least listen to the audio and write the answers. So the first question of this lesson goes as, बालक रोज रोज कौन सी खबरें सुनता है? What he used to listen to? He used to listen to the news that used to come from the border. So the first answer is बालक रोज रोज सीमा, सीमा means border, सीमा की खबरें सुनता है. सीमा means border, सीमा की खबरें सुनता है. Second question, बालक अपने हाथ में क्या लेना चाहता है? बालक अपने हाथ में बंदूक, बंदूक मीन्स गन चिल्ड्रन, बंदूक लेना चाहता है. बालक किस में भर्ती होना चाहता है? बालक फौज में भर्ती होना चाहता है. दिस इज़ द थर्ड आंसर, फौज में भर्ती होना चाहता है. देन माँ कब खुश होती है? माँ खुश होती जब वह राष्ट्रपति से पुरस्कार पाता. Means the mother would have been happy if he would have received any award from the president. That's the fourth answer. Then fifth one, बालक कैसे बड़ा होना चाहता है? बालक झटपट बड़ा होना चाहता है. The boy wants to grow big fast. Now coming to the first main, there are only 5 questions. The answers on the board, you can zoom it and you can see the answers and write it in your classwork note. The questions are in your textbook. I have not written down the questions here. So coming down to the second main, बालक का मन क्यों मसोस रह जाता है? रोज सीमा की खबरें सुनकर बालक का मन मसोस कर रह जाता है. रोज सीमा की खबरें सुनकर बालक का मन मसोस कर रह जाता है. So that's the first answer. Coming to the second one, अगर बालक छोटा नहीं होता तो क्या करता? अगर बालक छोटा नहीं होता हाथ में बंदूक लेकर नाम कमाता. So this is the second answer children. अगर बालक छोटा नहीं होता तो हाथ में बंदूक लेकर नाम कमाता. That's your second answer. एंड थर्ड वन, बालक झटपट बड़ा होकर क्या करना चाहता है? बालक झटपट बड़ा होकर फौज में भर्ती होना चाहता है. So that's your third answer. When he grows up, he wants to join the army. So in this manner children, I have given you 5 question answers of lesson number 4, and also I have given you second main 3 question answers. So please write this in your classwork note. Study the first 6 lines of the poem. This will be coming for your FA next FA exam. That FA1, FA2 is over. FA3 this will be coming. So definitely please study the first 6 lines of the poem and write this in the classwork notes. Take a picture, send it to Rohana Miss. I'll correct it. And those poem 6 lines, please learn it. It's on page number 23. Your poem is on page number 23, lesson 4. Fine children, do that and send it to me in WhatsApp. Thank you.